stuff.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck.
Of course we got Knarf.
There's like orange bugs.
So what?
Like little flying orange bugs in every mud hole on that trail just back there.
Yeah?
Weirder than hell.
Ton of them? What up, dude?
Got
Got the Odyssey. Chris, what year is this thing?
1987.
87. It's got a 440 motor on it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we'll get some good clips of this thing too.
They sell those these.
Oh, what you got here, bud?
Fucking piece of shit overheating razor.
Got the Razor 1000 Turbski on there. She's been ripping, but she's been overheating a little bit because we got to do a good power washing job. But Chris got some new shit this year. Yeah, Cody's set up here. Cody, do you mind if I talk a little bit? Guys, check this thing out. Look at this. The bed's not on it right now because he's been having some issues with it, but it's what is today, Monday?
Today's Monday.
Monday. I helped him put the motor in it on like Thursday, I think, or something.
Yeah.
And we got it running real good. It literally took about 2 hours to get the drive shaft hooked up, motor hooked up, get it all wired, oils, coolants, and it fired right up. But he went over across the street and tried to do some nitro circus shit with it, and
yeah, I was having fun with it.
having fun for once.
I had to overnight some parts to the UP this morning.
Yeah, let me tell you, trying to overnight parts to a PO box isn't all that fun. Kind of a pain in the butt. Did they say that they would do it?
At first they said no.
Yeah, and they understood that we're in the middle of nowhere with the lake.
Yeah.
What year is this thing, Cody?
97.
It's a 97 Japanese mini truck.
Yeah, Mitsubishi.
Mitsubishi 3-cylinder in it. Right-hand drive. Right-hand drive. Did you ever figure out, is it a 4-speed? Is it a 5? 5-speed. Got the carb out right now. Cody's got to do some working on it. Dude, I don't know why, but I've always wanted to like do a walk around on that truck. I love that thing. But this thing is freaking awesome. It was so weird driving it at first, but everything's normal on it. So I know Flair, he's a big YouTuber, he's got one, but he sent his out and got it all jacked up, dude. That thing is like, I can't remember what company did it, but they went through and did everything. Cody custom fabbed this bumper up himself. Lights are pretty bright.
Hopefully it's together tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully we can get some good clips of this thing running on here. He found a muffler at my grandpa's. He offered him $10, but he told him no. We'll get some good shots of this thing running. Look at this beast. What is that, an 11-inch lift after all of it?
Yeah.
11-inch lift on damn near 40s.
Yeah.
What you got here, dude?
So 120.
120 with negative 40 on it. It's like a 90.
That's a SSR 95.
Hi, how are ya?
Hey, how are you? What's up,
Hi,
buddy?
how are ya?
What you got here?
I gotta lay this thing sideways.
Yeah, old Narfy.
Babe, I told you.
This thing
you
got
have to
all one breaks, one fixes it, and the other one broke, and now that one's broke. They're all broke. Oh, well, we are at the H40 pit. Some of you guys might have seen it from the first video. Our trip part 1, I think it was. I'm out of breath. But we just got here, and Justin had my son Luke in the Razor, and Tried going up this hill right here and it was a lot steeper than he thought. Yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Oh. Get it. Get it. But yeah, he's stuck here right now.
Why I put the cables on?
Hey, wind this fucker up. This thing ain't doing a damn.
Look at the truck.
Hold on, let me, hold on, let me,
Re-roll it right.
put her off free wheel. Wheel to the left a little bit. Okay, just now ride the brakes.
I ain't letting my boy go back. Screw that. Hilarious.
Nice.
I don't think he's going back.
All right, you want to try it again?
Yeah,
Good job, buddy.
I can try it in 4-wheel this time.
I gotta go swim in the lot now.
It's finally working. Think Canarf's done. Think we might end up having to do this rebuild. Let her eat. Scary. All right, let's go get in some water.
Again. I want to try it.
Hold on, Luke. Huh? Axel? Yeah, the one time last year he came up kayaking, or when I was kayaking, he came right up next to me and he went like this. He got up to the side of it, went like this, looked at me and started sinking in the water. I had to reach down and grab him. Look at all the seaweeds. Having fun, Luke? I really want to test out how waterproof this thing is. Yeah. Just kayaking around and got a little friend. Oh! Did you make it? You got it? Sharks around, Luke?
Yeah.
Where at? Oh no! It's a buddy! Ah!
He's trying to.
Ah!
That's a shark.
Is that a shark?
Yeah, shark. Why are you doing it?
I mean, you fish in the rain. The fish love waves.
Oh, he took my worm.
I love waves.
Not a bad little one. Little guy. Alrighty, boys. Taking a nice little ride in the, what year is it?
97.
The 1997 Japanese mini truck. Right-hand drive. Going over a train track. This thing's got no suspension. Ow! Ooh-wee! Ow! Oh my god, I just tasted my own ass. Got the crew over here. We're gonna go for a little ride. I feel like shit. Not gate. How's she running, Steph? Pretty good?
Kind of.
This thing will do like 300 miles an hour. This thing seriously rides so smooth. It rides and steers better than my truck does.
Wait till we get on the trails.
The trails are not fun. This here, that headline. Jesus, that's gonna be our best friend. Where's the gang? Trout Lake. Ooh. Downshifting for the bump here, bud. Okay, here we go. Hey! Gee whiz. We got the talkies. We got Buddy on the talkie. How's she going, bud? I said shut up.
Sure, watch out,
Ripping down our first little trail here. What are you doing, about 20? You're about 45, 50?
50 kilometers.
So you're doing about 20. Oh boy.
It's not that bad.
It's not as bad as we thought it was going to be. We get a load of that steering wheel. Oh shit. Can we make it there with the axles on it still? Are they behind us?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna hurt. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh god! Damn! Oh shit! What is smacking down there?
Or the trans cooler.
Oh boy, that was harsh. Oh my god. That rhino line on the door panel over here, that shit's sharp. Oh boy. You hear those chopsticks flying out of the exhaust?
Yeah.
It's a 3-cylinder Mitsubishi. Watch out. This thing is hilarious, dude. Well, we made it down the bumpy trail. That's just a seasonal trail that gets groomed every so often. Buddy wanted to go and explore some new shit. Oh, hey.
Sorry, bud.
That's alright, buddy. I don't know how Justin's gonna like it on his dirt bike. He's going kind of slow for a bike. Ooh. Scaly. I think all this trail is going to do is just pop out onto 123.
That's what I was thinking. Or somewhere behind, like, over by the lockers or something.
Cody, you going to pay my next 4 chiropractor visits?
I will pay the next 2. Seriously, you know I will.
You would. If you want to explore, go right and go left, no matter. This is just going to take you all the way around and then go out down there again.
Right?
Yeah, we can go right. It's pretty sweet looking.
Actually, that's quite a bit.
You know, that ain't that bad for a smoke bomb. All right, so that trip was super fun. I don't know why I was kind of in like a weird funk. I don't know if I wasn't really feeling good. My allergies were really bad while I was up there, and like the last 3 years has done that to me. But I was just kind of in a weird funk about like the channel and recording, and just kind of like wanting to have fun a little bit without not having to worry about the camera. But obviously now that I'm here back home, you know, this was 2 weeks ago when we were up there. It's like every year we go to the UP for our 4th of July trip. We just I go back home for a little bit. To me, that's still home. Yes, this is my house here, but my heart that's home. So yeah, we do that every year, and I wish I would have recorded a lot more because we did a lot of cool stuff up there. Nothing like the year before. You know, we didn't have a Jeep to destroy, and it just wasn't really all that. For me, it wasn't all that fun. A lot of people had fun, but I personally didn't. I just had a lot on my mind while I was up there. A lot of stuff was going on, but you guys can see my buddy Kody bought a mini truck. I like that thing. It was pretty cool. Not very comfortable to ride down the trails, but my cousin Chris bought 2 Honda Odysseys. Justin brought the Razor 1000 up. Long story short, I wish I would have recorded more while we were up there. I didn't really give you guys a good video, I guess. We did all kinds of stuff. You know, raced up the Sand Hill. We went out at night and went to the quarry, the Fiber Quarry. We went to all kinds of places. Did a lot of different stuff. And like I said, I was just in a weird funk. So as you guys seen in the title, I'm changing the name of the channel, and the reason I'm doing that is because when I first thought of doing this channel, I just kind of thought of like truck stuff, you know, just modern trucks, you know, performance stuff, just a certain style that I really liked. And I still do like the style of the type of trucks that we drive, but there's just a lot of different things that I want to do on this channel. You know, I'm like an outdoors person. I like to do a lot of things, and I feel like with the name that I've created for the channel, that it just kind of simply has to do with truck stuff and wheels, which isn't what I want to do in this channel. I want to do everything. You know, we do hunting, we do fishing, we do anything outdoors. We go to all kinds of places, and I feel like that really describes me as a person, my lifestyle. And I think this channel is not to just do like how-to videos. It's kind of like a thing where I give you guys content to watch while you're at home, while you're just kicking it on the couch, chilling with your friends, whatever you're doing. If you're on break at lunch or something at work, you can watch a quick video or whatever. So yeah, I'm going to change the name of my channel from Wild with Pride to Kick It with Kody, because you guys can kick it with me and chill. We can hang out, and you guys can watch whatever the heck we do. So I'm going to keep the name for a few days or something, just to let the people who are subscribed that actually watch it, to let them know, so that way when I upload another video, you guys know who that name is, which is me, Kody Matthew. Yeah, I just wanted to make this one video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of it. Just some random clips of stuff that I did take while we were up there. And this weekend we are going to probably do a power steering pump on my truck again, and then hopefully my plan works the way I want it to. My truck is actually up for sale, so if it does sell, I've been looking for a second gen. That's kind of what I want to get right now. And yeah, hopefully it all works out, because I've wanted a second gen ever since I was a little kid, and I already know with what I want to spend, I'm not going to buy a built second gen. I kind of want to build it up myself. So yeah, just stay tuned for the next video. If you guys want to watch a power steering pump video, you can watch it. But yeah, we'll see you then. Thank you.